संवसारीक महिला दिसाच्या फाटभुंयेर करुणा फुटबॉल फाउंडेशना वतीन खासा बायलांच्या फुटबॉल सर्तीचे मंगळारा आयोजन केल्ले। वेगवेगळ्या राज्यांतल्यान फुटबॉल खेळपी बायलांच्या पंगडांनी सर्तीत वांटो घेतिल्लो। हातूंत केरळ, तामिळनाडू तशेंच वेगवेगळ्या पंगडांचो आस्पाव आशिल्लो। सर्तीत 11 पंगडांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो। ही सर्त नावेली रोजरी मैदानाचेर जाली। ही आगळी वेगळी सर्त पळोवपाक थळाव्या बायलांनी तशेंच फुटबॉल मोग्यांनी गर्दी केली।
Program to get together all the veterans footballers around around India, basically, who are from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and are very own legends in football. So to celebrate Women's International Day, we said let's get them together, and the theme for the day also is women have a right to play. So this will encourage the young budding footballers in Goa, and also it's a platform to get everybody together and be inspired by the legends who have done wonders for Goa. And I hope this message gets across, and we have to give women the due respect and their place, because they are the ones who can take the initiative and take it forward, because they are the foundation of the family and they can bring up the children in the right spirit of sports.
Happy Women's Day to each and every one, and I think compassion has brought us all the legends together, national players, university players. I think it's great to see all the seniors, juniors, youngsters together on this field today. It's really exciting, waiting to the event to start. Very happy for it. So, and the second thing is like education and sports should go together. Earlier days it was like you could play sports without any education, but now knowledge comes first. So it goes hand in hand. So I think both has to be together.